to people with 15-year-old composite sinks that look, you know, maybe they started off like this, a vibrant black color, but over time they've gotten dull, faded color, maybe even kind of a chalky haze. That can be accomplished with these non-scratch pads. Okay, this is a non-scratch pad. It's a blue abrasive, but this, guess what, folks? This will and can fade the color of your sink progressively, something like that. Or the green is even more abrasive. And if you rub it enough times, what happens is it starts to fade the color. And so I wanted to show this before. I'm going to go ahead and just rub spots, just dull it. I can see how the color has become faded just by doing this. It's dull, okay? I'm not sure. Here, let's move all these products off the surface because we are going to restore, revive, and refresh the look of this composite sink. People use solutions like this. This is a green abrasive pad. People do it all the time. And what happens is it'll create superficial damage over time. And then, you know, somebody will put an oil on it, make it look better for a day or two, and others will find us, and this is a long-lasting solution, but it's step 2 in a 3-step process. My name's Tom. I'm with Supreme Surface. I just finished using this 60 grit sandpaper, all right, one of these disc pads. I'm about to restore the look of this side, all right. This side here has already been restored at one time. I went ahead and created more superficial damage using this abrasive pad. It's, you know, long-term use of these green pads, maybe even these blue pads and the sandpaper, you know, they all kind of do the same things, but, you know, this is more of a progressive damage. This can get you there a little sooner, and this will get you here right now, okay? And I'm going to use Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh composite sink treatment. And I want to go from this before shot that you see right here. This is just like this picture on the front of the label. You see that before, to after. I want to make it look kind of like this side here. That's the after side. But it's going to be clean, resealed, and protected using Supreme Surface 3-step process. Follow along. Here's how. Step 1 is to deep clean it, removing any and all grime that might be stuck as a scum line on the sink or in your shower or something. This is an excellent solution recommended by Kraus USA on their granite sinks. You can look it up. It's true. It's an excellent solution. Grease, oil, everyday grime found in sinks, and maybe in the countertop areas, and dirty grout. This is what I call superficial damage. I used 60 grit sandpaper, which I do not recommend doing this at home. 60 grit pad. All right, first thing I'm going to do is just rinse the surface off, get rid of any loose debris, and then I'm going to dry it. Because right now, you see how it looks when it's wet? This sink looks fine when it's wet. If your sink looks like this, if your sink looks fine when it's wet, but doesn't look fine when it's dry, okay, if there's a big contrast, well, I think you're going to like this video because we're going to use Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh composite sink treatment right here to make your sink go from dull and drab to absolutely fab in our 3-step process. Follow along. After a thorough rinse, wipe it dry. We first started, this left side had a lot of damage or buildup on it. If it was buildup, we'd have to clean it up. And to clean it off, we're using Supreme Surface Scum and Mineral Deposit Remover. Let's let it thoroughly dry. And what you'll notice, this side will be lighter than this side. We'll address that in a minute. You see the dull spots on the side of this sink, right? Faded chalky haze, can't clean it away kind of thing. If you've tried to clean your sink and it just doesn't seem to get clean, this is a damp towel. And I'm going over the surface of it. You see how it just went away? If your sink looks chalky, hazy when it's dry, but if you just get it damp and all of a sudden it looks really good again, we can fix this using Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. It's a long-lasting repair solution. We'll spray it on, spread it with a sponge, and allow it to dry. Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. Before, after. With this sink, before, this is after. Step 2. Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. Super easy to use. Give you an example down here. Just spray it on, just like that. And you can spread it with a sponge, removing all excess. You can repeat this as many times as necessary to make your sink look as good as possible, but that's how I did the bottom. If you need 30 applications, I don't know, maybe you do, maybe you don't. This is five applications, but for demonstration purposes, you can spray a lot of solution on and just spread it like you see me doing right here, just removing all the excess. Some people, that means spray it on, spread it with a sponge, and wipe it with a paper towel. You can air dry it. You can use a hair dryer. For this, for this demonstration, I'm just allowing it to air dry, and I'm probably giving it somewhere between, maybe the first application was about 15-20 minutes, and after that, this application here, I'm going to have to let it sit for longer. We're not getting as much absorption. This is, again, Supreme Surface Restore, Revive, and Refresh Composite Sink Treatment. An excellent solution to restore the surface of your composite sink. 7, 28, 29. There's 30 sprays. There appears to be quite a bit of material on the surface. And no, I just really want to rub it in. The trick is to not leave excess material behind. Wipe off the excess, so no puddles, no drips, nothing thick. It leads to problems. If you put it on thick and you just leave it and you don't wipe off the excess, it can turn kind of whitish, milky, and you can't break your sink or anything. We'd have to fix that, and I can help you with that if that becomes an issue. This prevents it, right? So spray it, spread it, and forget it. An actual application, let's just say it takes 2 minutes. Areas with scratches, the bottom of the sink here. Take a section and spray it on there, and you can rub it in just like this. Spread it like this, removing all excess. I think it's super easy to work with. It smells pretty good. It smells really good to a lot of people, including myself. Pros and cons, one of them might be the odors. This here has a nice fragrance, and I think it's a lot better to work with this fragrance than it is some of the real toxic odors. Look at this, folks. This Here's a shiny sink. It's like brand new, isn't it? So I'm going to let it dry. And then moving forward, I'm going to use all-in-one stone care. Step 3 will be Supreme Surface all-in-one stone care. Their granite, quartz, and marble treatment with ioSeal. Folks, ask AI what ioSeal is, and you'll be surprised. There's a lot of information on it out there. It's excellent because this solution here will clean, it will shine, and it will protect with meaningful protection using ioSeal technology right there, ioSeal protectants. Water spots don't stick. That's the way I like to say it, but you may or may not know this, but all leading manufacturers, Kraus, Blanco, Franke, right, Silestone, all of those manufacturers say to wipe your sink out after each and every use. If you don't, you want to be using this Supreme Surface all-in-one stone care, the granite, quartz, and marble treatment. It's available in an 8-ounce all-in-one stone care pack, but it's also available in a 24-ounce, depending on what kit you get. This is an excellent product to use throughout the sink and your countertops. Things can't stick. It cleans, it shines, it protects, gives a smoother feel, and you can read all about it. Just Google what is ioSeal, ask AI. Learn more at supremesurface.com. This video is how to restore, revive, and refresh a composite sink using Supreme Surface. Learn more at supremesurface.com. Have a great day.